Anytime I see you, I'm blind up. The way you handle that. Uku. Nigga. Are you ready?
Mastercraft.
Neighbor.
Nigga. Let go.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I bet neighbor, I want to ask you something. I noticed something. I be they see girls, they come out, they go inside. I bet waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. I want to ask because I be your neighbor. I know if they see that kind of thing, I cannot ask. Beg.
You are a good neighbor. See, those girls going in and coming out, they are doing something inside. If you don't mind, you can come inside and see what they are doing.
I don't mind. Me say won't see waiting they happen.
So you don't mind to come inside to see or do what they are doing inside?
I don't mind though.
Hey, wait!
Come inside, come inside.
Hello? I'm working. Yes, 1xBet, they are the best and most reliable online betting platform. If you use the promo code Sabalu, your first deposit will be increased to 145,600 naira bonus. Don't forget to use the promo code Sabalu, and registration is free. And also, you can also win Maserati, iPhone, and different prizes on 1xBet. Eh? My code Sabalu. Use that code. It's very important. I will call you back. I'm working. I'm on duty.
Neighbor, I like this work way they come in. I know my make they come every time.
If you want to be coming every morning, afternoon, night, I'm ready. I'm always there for you. Eh? I like you, my neighbor.
I like it.
No, I like come back later.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
Alright. Bye.
What be this?
See, I was telling the other girls, this PS5, PS6 is not made for only boys alone. Girls can play game too. I hope you are enjoying it now. You know how to play it now. That's what I do for a living. I train girls how to play PS.